Melbourne Approach, Trojan 16, calling, PB6, maintaining 9,000.
Trojan 16, approach, good morning, below level 10 about 3 minutes.
16.
Ambers 397, your position 2 miles to the northwest of Melbourne, resume our navigation, check for the left circuit, runway 35 and cleared visual approach.
Left circuit, runway 35 and cleared visual approach, Ambers 397.
397, contact Estimate Tower 125,001.
251, Ambers 397.
Trojan 16, descend at 5,000.
5,000, Trojan 16.
Melbourne Departures, Queensland 702 Heavy, passing 2,200, following 5,000.
2702 Heavy, departures, good morning, identify, Convoy 2, flight level 240.
Fly the shed, flight of 240, Queensland 702.
Approach, Trojan 16.
16.
16 from Arabic Point to the Point Cook CTAF position for the RAAF Approach, runway 35.
Position 16, I firm from Arabic, cleared direct to Point Cook Sierra Delta.
Cleared to Point Cook Zulu Sierra Delta position 16.
Contact me now 135,007.
35.7, Trojan 16. Trojan 16, 135.7, maintaining 5,000.
Trojan 16, center, thanks, station to 4,000.
4,000, Trojan 16.
Trojan 16, leaving control area now, control service is terminated. There's no reported IFR traffic clear descent and tracking via the RAAF Zulu approach for Point Cook.
Copy, IFR traffic is now clear outside control airspace, Trojan 16. Traffic Trojan 16, C-130 is currently to the east, approximately 15 miles. We'll be conducting the RAAF Approach, runway 35 full stop. Point Cook traffic. Point Cook traffic, Trojan 16, C-130 is currently 8 mile finals, runway 35, 3 greens for landing.
Point Cook Aerodrome.